This conference will now be recorded.
You are not attending my meeting. What?
This conference will now be recorded.
So in the yesterday's class, we were discussing swatches. Okay. So what is the use of swatches, and then what is the shortcut key of the swatches? Tell me. What is the shortcut key, girls, for the swatches? Open run command, Windows, or type Excel to open Excel. Select the blank workbook. So Alt key. What is the shortcut key for the swatches, girls? Alt key. So in the yesterday's class, I told you. So what is the use of swatches actually, girls? See, if I press Alt key, so for each and every tab, it is highlighted with a letter. For the home tab H, for the insert tab N, for the page level P, like that. For every tabs, and the letter is highlighted. Okay. If you want to work on home tab, you need to press H letter from your keyboard. Then each and every commands having its own what is that letters. Okay, every commands having its letters. If you want to work on that, you have to press that particular letter, then it will work. So for example, you want to work on the find and select command, then you have to press FD. See, find you want to do, you have to press F. Replace if you want to do R, go to G, go to special S, like that. Every commands having its letters. Okay. Okay. So in the last class we were discussing these all the things we had to tell tabs, these all the things commands, and then these are groups. Okay. These are cells. Where is a thick border is there? That is active cell. This is a vertical scroll bar which helps to move up and down, and then horizontal scroll bar is there that helps you what is that, to move left and right side. Okay. How many sheets are default? How many sheets are default? 3. But here, how many sheets are showing on the screen? How many sheets are there? It is showing only 1 sheet, right? What we had to do, we had to set it as 3 sheets as the default. How we are going to do? Go to File tab, More, Options. So include this many sheets is there, no? You make it to the 3. Click on OK. What you had to do means you had to close the Excel file once and then reopen. Okay. So run command, type Excel. So now you have to select the blank workbooks. Now how many sheets are default it is there? How many sheets are showing on the screen?
3.
3 sheets. Okay. And then what is the shortcut key to add the sheets? What is the shortcut key to add the sheets? Shift F11 is the shortcut key to add the new sheets. Okay. Girls, I want to go for a particular cell. Okay, for the which cell I want to go, for example, Z100. Okay, for the which cell I should be go now? Z100. How to go for this Z100? Z is a column. See, column always having alphabets, and then rows always having numerical number. Here Z is a column, 100 is a row. So this is the box on the left side top is the no. In the name box, you need to type cell address. The cell address, you have to give the column alphabet first. First column you have to indicate here. Z is a column, 100 is a row. Press enter, girls. See, automatically your cell is in which address? Z100. Okay, see, here it is there, girls. Again, I had to go for the first cell in the Excel sheet. A1 is the first cell. Okay. Again, what should I want to do? I should be click on the name box. I should type A is a column, 1 is a row number. Just press enter key. See, automatically your cursor it is in first cell. Okay. Now I want to select the cell range. How to select the cell range? So for example, from A1 to A10, I should select the cell range. How? See the cursor, it is in the different cell. Okay. You have to type the cell range, girls. A1 is to, I should type here. See, observe the screen. A1 is to A10, the cell address, sorry, cell range. So you have to press enter. After giving the cell range, press enter key. See, automatically the cell range from A1 to A10 has been selected. Okay. Again, I'll give some different cell range. B2 is to H15, okay. So B2 is to H15 is the cell range I given in name box. Press enter key, girls. See now automatically cell range has been selected. Okay, understood now how to go for the particular cell address and then how to select the cell range. How we are going to select from the which option? From which option you are going to do? From where you have to do this? To go for a particular cell and then to select the cell range?
Name box.
Good. Name box. Good. And then fx is there now here. Your fx is there. That is formula bar. To increase the formula bar height, there is a shortcut key Control Shift U. See, if I press Control Shift U, so your formula bar height size is increased. Formula bar height is increased. Shortcut key, what is the shortcut key I told? Control Shift U. Okay. See, I'll do some simple calculation. 100, 20, and then. So the answer will be 125 actually. Okay. How to add these values 100, 20, and then 5? You have to use the formula function. Equals. Equals is must and should be to do either any calculation. Equals sum. Sum is a function which will add all values, which will add all numbers in the range of the cells. So you need to double click on this formula. You have to select the number values. From where to where you are going to select. From the which cell range to which cell range you are going to select. For example, E5. The 100 is in 125. These values are it is in the which column? In the E column. And then which it is in which row? And fifth row. 20th is in sixth row. The seventh row, in the seventh row you have number 5. So you need to select E5 is to E7, the cell range given. Just press enter. The answer is what? 125 is the answer. Keep the cursor on 125. Then just observe the formula bar now. What is it showing here? Equal sum. It is showing you formula and then cell range. So the formula bar will display the formula. If I keep the cursor anywhere, it will show you blank, nothing. Okay. If I keep the cursor on the text, then it will show you the text. But if I keep the cursor on 125, it will not display 125. Instead of 125, it will display the formula and then cell range in the formula bar. Got it right? Understood now?
Mom, can you teach how to do the summation again?
This one, the sum function.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Even I didn't understand.
Okay. Again, girls, here some values are there, 125. Okay. These values are, it is in which column? Can you tell me that? It is in which column? E column.
E.
Oh, yeah.
B column.
100, it is in which row? 100, 100.
Fifth row.
Fifth row.
20 value.
Sixth
Sixth
row.
row.
Fifth one, 5 value. Seventh row.
Seventh
Okay.
row.
Come to the 8th row and then do the calculation. Equal sum. Sum is a function which helps you add the all values. You double click on this function. You need to select the cell range. From where to where you are going to select? From 100 to 5. 100 to 5 means E5 is to E7. The cell range. E5 is to what? E7. Then press enter key. So the result is what? 125. If I keep the cursor on the result, in the formula bar, it will show you the formula and then cell range. So it is showing now which formula has been used and then from where to where the cell range has been selected. Everything will display in the formula bar. Now you got it. Now you understood that thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So the next thing, So this is name box, this is formula bar, these are columns, these are rows, and then 3 sheets are default, and then plus button is there to add a new sheets. This is a horizontal scroll bar which helps you to move up, right and left side, and then vertical scroll bar which helps you to move up and down, up and down. And then in the Excel there are 3 views. How many views are in the Excel? 3 views. So that will display on the status bar. Okay, ready, something, accessibility, and zoom slider, 3 types of views. The green color one, no, it is running horizontally, no, that is what status bar. On the status bar in the Excel, there are 3 views are there. One is first one normal view, the second one page layout, and then the third one uh, page break preview. So later on, you will be going to learn what are the views, why we need to use these views. I'll be going to explain the later classes. Okay. So, but you should remember which is the default view in the Excel. Normal. See, actually in this 3 views, which view is highlighted? Which view is highlighted, ma girls? Find out and tell me. Normal or page layout or page break preview? Which view is highlighted? The first one or second
Normal.
one? The good.
Normal.
Yeah, normal view is the default in the Excel. So which one is the default view in the Excel? Normal view is the default in the Excel, guys. Okay. Okay, good. Got it. And then I'll be going to start with the file tab today. I'll be going to explain today the file tab. Just click on the file tab, girls. Okay. Here there is an option here, home. Okay. In the home, again, if you want to take the blank workbook, then you should click on this. See, if I place the cursor on the taskbar, then it will be going to show you book 1 and book 2. There are 2 workbooks, book 1 and book 2. See, 2 workbooks are there. Again, if you want the new one, go to file tab, blank workbook. So how many workbooks are there? Book 1, book 2, and then book 3. If you want to close that current workbook, the opened workbook, if you want to close, you need to press Control W. Press Control W, the 2 books are closed. Remaining only 1 workbook is there. Only 1 workbook, okay? So not only the blank workbook, girls, along that you will get templates also. Templates means which is already ready one. So available in online. Okay. So if you have the net connection in your system, you can get templates. Everything is ready. See, I'll show you how to use the templates. Go for the more templates. Click on more templates, girls. Just scroll it now. See, calendars, some list, invoice bills, schedules, attendance, such types of templates are uploaded. Okay, whichever you want, you can download it and you can edit it later. Okay, for example, here keywords also given, business related templates, personal related templates, planners and trackers, list, budgets, charts, calendars. These all the things are what templates. So for example, I'll select list. Click on list. See, there are so many templates here. Some what. So if you want to make a grocery list for your house, you can prepare from the templates. You have lot of movies in your system. You have to make a list. Okay, that also it is there. Product price list is there. So many templates are there here. Grocery list. I'll take here, see, birthday list. For whom you are inviting, that also you can make a list. So I'm investing for 100 to 150 members, for colleagues, for the friends, like that. You can make a list by using this. Okay, membership list. Product price list. I'll take this one, ma. Blue product price list is there, na? Just click on this. Read this, create. It is downloading. Your template is downloading, okay? So if you want, you can edit, okay? Okay, MTR logo. I want to insert one logo here. So first you download one image first. Minimize this Excel screen. MTR logo. Just open Google. So give the name MTR logo. Go to images, girls. And yeah, the first one I'll take. You have to download this image, girls. How you are going to download, ma? You need to right click on this. Just right click. There is an option here, save image as. Save image as. So please download this image. So select the location desktop. See, for this one I am giving MTR. MTR desktop. Okay, where I am downloading this image MTR logo on desktop. Okay, save this, girls. Save it. Just close this Google now. See where it is there. It is on desktop area. Just come to the Excel. Yeah, I should be place your logo here. Okay, just how to insert anything, we need to go for insert tab, picture. See, I'm not taking from online, I'm taking from the computer only. Already I downloaded. So this device is there, no? Click on this device. And then, so desktop.
Ma'am,
Ama.
ma'am, can you once again show me the template thing? Where can we get the template thing?
Go to file tab, more templates. File tab, more templates. Got it now? File tab.
Ma'am, I'm not getting it on. Okay, yeah, more templates.
In your systems, there is an internet in your laptop system.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Which version you are working then? From 2013, it is given. Earlier version, it is not given. From 13, it is there.
Ma'am,
Templates.
I got, but then here it's showing billing statement, blood pressure tracker, expense
See,
report.
listen here. More templates. So in that, you have to go for list. List.
Oh,
Here, there you have to go. Don't take any other keywords. You select list.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So what I'm telling, I should be insert the logo in this place. Insert tab, pictures. This device. On the desktop, it is there, the MTR logo. Oh, it is in which format? JPG format. If it is there, then the image will support in the Excel. 1 second, I'll check which format is that. Oh, some other format it is there. Okay, I'll download the another one. Again, open the Google here. MTR logo. Go to images again. Say right click, save images. Seagulls, while downloading, it will show you AVIF file. So no, this will not support in Excel. JPEG, PNG means this format will support in the Excel. This is AVIF type. So this will not support. You cancel it. Okay, don't select this one. Take the another one. Click on this. Again, right click, save image as you go. PNG. PNG will support. But wait, I'll take the another one. Again, right click, save image as. So okay, this one PNG is there, that one only I'll take. Just hit save button. Desktop ma, where I am downloading desktop, the file name is MTR Foods, saved. It is downloaded, girls. Just close the Google ones. So now insert picture this device. Yeah. See, select it, insert. So what should I want to do? Minimize that image. Minimize it. Minimize it. Some text is there, the background. I'll remove it by pressing the backspace. Okay, you place the cursor on here. So you need.
I tried doing this thing in a different way. So like I went to the Google and I copied the image and it worked. I didn't
No
save it,
problem.
I just copied it.
You can do it in different method also, no problem. But any one type of template you take and then try to make some changes. Got it right? So don't copy
Yeah.
the things. You can do it in different way, no problem. The company name I am giving here, MTR. Type in the caps. MTR Foods Private Limited. This is what our company, and then details you have to give. See, I should be make it large actually this, and then the table one also. I'm moving to this one to the downside ones. Just the whole table you should select it and then place the cursor and just move to the down like this. Now expand this. Yeah. And then this is also you should expand. We have to edit like this. Yeah. Now I can type the company address, phone number, fax number, and then website address. Okay. For example, here I'll be going to type the address, door number 123, first cross, fifth main, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Just to remove all the things. 123, first cross, door number 123, fifth main, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Then what should I want to do? Mail ID. mtrfoods@gmail.com. Okay. And then website address www.mtrfoods.com. The website address. Okay. That's enough. The website address is not visible, right, girls? Again, it is showing only mail ID. After that mail ID, website address is not displaying. What you have to do? The space is not enough. You need to move this table to the downside. Okay, just move it down like this. So again, you should select the whole table. Just move the table to the downside. Just you expand this one, and then here also you keep the cursor and then just expand this. Yeah. Like this. Now it is visible, no? The logo, the company name, address, everything. Yeah. So now I should do the list, product list, price list for my company. So I'm going to type the product name 456 number, and then type what is the product name? Badam milk. badam milk powder, so description, you can type your milk product. Okay girls, the retail unit price I'll give ma. For example, for one bottle I will charge 250 rupees. Okay, if they have taken in the bulk, for one bottle I'm charging 250. If they take 10 bottles, 15, 20 bottles, if they take in the bulk, for them I am giving per bottle 175, means 25 rupees is making reduce. I'm reducing that. Okay, and then again rasam powder, rasam powder, here I'll give masala, masala product. For one packet girls I'm charging 75. Okay, if they have taken in the bulk, for them I'm giving 55 rupees. So the next product, some number you type here. Okay, the next one I give rava idli. Rava idli instant mix. In the description I'll give instant mix. Okay, now 250, sorry, 200. If they take in the bulk, for them I'm charging 180. Are you understanding girls the things what I am doing here? So you should, whatever you want you have to type. You can make the list. This one will helps you to make the list easily, quickly. No, this will helps you to make the things easily, right? Yes or no girls? The product code number it has given, you need to type product name, description, retail unit and bulk unit price. Here dollar symbol is there. Is it possible to change to the INR? Our country currency is INR, not dollar. Is it possible to change? Of course I can change. You need to select it and then English India is there, no? You have to click on this. So it has to change to the INR rupees, our country currency. So you have to do this one. So do it this one. At home you practice this. Whenever your free is there, you just download the template and then try it out. So now I prepared this product list. What should I want to do? I want to save the file. How we are going to save the file? What is the shortcut key? Any idea girls? Any idea to save the files in the Excel?
Ma'am, can you tell me how to change to INR?
INR, okay. You need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
select this one. You need to select this. In the home tab, currency option is there. Accounting number format option is there. You got it that?
Yes, ma'am.
There it is available for you. English India.
Yes.
Chinese you got it? It is there.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
it is not there, then you have to go for more accounting format. There also it will be available. See, here you need to search. There is a lot of currencies are there. Whichever you want, you need to select those. Okay, Greek, French, China, Japan. Like that, every country currencies are available here. Which one you want, you should select it. Okay, you need to select and then you need to apply. See, now it is in dollar, right? I should select it and then apply. Now tell me girls, what is the shortcut key to save the file? Shortcut key for the saving the file.
Control S.
Yeah, usually we people will use controllers in every software. But another one I'll tell you, Shift F12. Shift F12 also you can use in the Excel for saving the file. Shift F12 also you can use for saving the files.
Ma'am, Shift F12 is not working.
You are working in the laptop, girls.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
working in the laptop? See, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
whenever you are working, function keys F1, F2, F3, like that, you need to press along that Fn. This function key is there. Check it out. Fn is there.
No, ma'am.
It is
From
there.
F1 to F12 is there.
Yeah, that is aboma. On the downside, you are on your left side
Yes, ma'am,
down.
it's there.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Fn is there. No, when you have to use Fn, whenever you are working on function key, you need to press. See, for example, how to use Shift Fn. See, I'll show you. Shift Fn, then F12. Like this, yeah. You should use. Whenever you're working on function key, you have to press an additional key, that is Fn. Additional key Fn you have to press. Now it's working.
No, ma'am, not actually.
Yes,
See,
ma'am, it's working.
it's working. You should do it
Yeah, yeah,
proper.
yeah. It's working. It's working. Yeah.
Hmm. See, Shift Fn F12 you should press. I'm doing that. Go to the file, or if it is difficult, girls, leave it that. Go to the file, aram say directly what you can do. You can click on save button. Browse, just click on browse. Why I should select browse means to select the location. Click on the browse. Where do you want to save this file? For example, I want to save this file on desktop. You selected desktop, girls. So give some file name, mtr product list. mtr product list. That's it. You click on save button. Just close the file. Check it out on the desktop. It is saved or not, girls, on the desktop. My file is there. mtr file. Yeah, it is there. See, Excel file, it is there now here. mtr product list. Okay. Again, open. So don't forget Shift F12, or you can use Control S also for saving the file. So you understood now how to download the file and then how to save the file. Okay. Again, I'll take a new file. Again, run command, type Excel. Take a blank notebook. Come to the next concept. You understood now how to use the templates, downloading and then making some changes and then saving. This will be very helpful, girls. Immediately, if you want to make any list, immediately if you want to do any reports, this will very helpful to prepare quickly. It's helpful to prepare these things. Okay, come back now. Good. The next one, the down here, if you saved any files, that files will be going to make the list. See, just now it is showing the timings. Just now I did mtr product list. See where it is there, actually that file, it is on desktop. Your files will be going to attached here. Okay, if you save the files in the Excel, automatically your files will be going to make the list. Some file is there that is lookups modified, that is it is what is that, 4 hours ago, 4 hours back, it is in documents. Like that, there are so many files are there. Okay, again, girls, click on new. Again, if you want to take the blank file, blank workbook, shortcut key Control N. Already I told you in the last class. Same thing only repeated is there. Templates are available here also. Down templates are available. or in the search also you can give the template's name, or the keywords are given here, whichever you want, you select it and then download it, and later you can edit and then you can save it. And then next option is open, Control O. What is the shortcut key for the open? Control O. What I can open from this option? I can open my files, saved files. See, for example, just 2-3 minutes back, I saved on file that is MTR product list. It is on desktop. It is showing now on 2nd of September, 6 o'clock 51 minutes. That time I saved this file. Got it? Again, girls, I'm doing one file. I'm saving one more file. See, I'll show you how. So the sheet is empty, nothing is there. I'll store the data, then I'll save the file. First cell 1, second cell 2. I'll store the data. First cell 1, second cell 2 is that just you select it and then drag how much you want. For example, till 12, I'll be going to drag. Okay. Again, come to the next column. Just you type January. January. Just girls, keep the cursor, come to the corner and then drag. So how many months in a year? 12 months in a year. See, automatically don't want to type January, February, March, April, May. So instead of typing, so if I drag January, automatically the month, automatically it will come. Okay. So you want in the short form, just give the Jan, JAN, and then drag it. Okay. See, automatically it is showing in the short form. In case if you want in caps, you have to type in caps. January, type in caps. And next column, short form, capital. Just you drag it, girls. See, automatically it is coming. Again, you drag it, girls. Automatically it is coming. And then the next column, I am going to type Monday in short form. In the capital letter, in the small letter, okay. Just you select the first cell, come to the corner side, and then what you have to do? You have to drag it. How many days in a week? 7 days. The same thing you should do it for the next also. The same thing, drag it. Yeah. So these things are default, or we need to type this data in the Excel? What I want to do?
These are default.
Yeah, these are default. January, Monday, Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, numerical number, everything. These are what default in it.
Ma'am, can you show this once again?
Once again, you want to repeat?
Actually,
Ma'am,
for me,
can you
the
repeat
numbers
this
are
once
not
again?
by default.
Yeah, I'll repeat. What I told means you need to type Monday first, okay? If you want in the caps, you type in caps. If you want in the short form, just give MON, the next column. Again, if you want in caps, you type in caps. Just place the cursor on Monday. Come to the corner side and then drag. So still Sunday you drag it, okay? Again, you should repeat for the next also. Now you understood the thing, what I told? Now you got it, my point? Understood, girls?
Ma'am, if we drag more than 7 days, it will again start from Mondays.
Yeah, it will repeat. That's it. Nothing will happen. It will repeat. So how we are going to save this file in the desktop? So go to the file, save button, click on save button. Where should I want to save this file? On desktop, girls. Go to the browse, click on browse, select the location desktop, and then I have to give here what is that? What shall I give? Month and day. Like that I give, okay, na? Month and day. Save button, click on save button. Just close now, close the file now. See, it is on desktop only. My file is saved. Okay, open the Excel from beginning, run command, type Excel. Blank workbook. If I go to the open option, my file will display or my file will not display. That MTR file, month and day file will display or it will not show you. Is it open? Is it possible to open that files, existing files, saved files?
Yes, ma'am.
From this option? Yeah. What is the shortcut key to open the saved and existing files? Control O. To open the existing and saved files, Control O. Just click on open. See on the right side, girls, month and day. It is on desktop. When I did that on 2nd of September. So 3 minutes is left for 7 o'clock. The timings is there. MTR product list, that is also. So 6:51 minutes. Like that it is shown. You want to open, double click on this, it will open. See, the file opened. The another one you want to open, again click on open. MTR product list you want to open, double click, it will open. See, it has been opened. If you want to close, Control W you can use, or Alt F4. To close Excel file, there is also shortcut key Alt F4 or Control W. To close the files in the Excel, Alt F4 or Control W. Yeah. Home, new, open. The next option is info. In the info, there are many
What is the
options.
Alt F4 thing?
To close the Excel.
Can you repeat the Alt F4 thing?
That is for closing the file. Alt F4.
Okay, ma'am.
Alt F4 is using for what purpose? To close the Excel file. Now you understood, right? Or you can use Control W also. Whenever you're using function key F1, F2, F3, you should press F1. Don't forget to press F1. Okay. Additional key you have to use for the function key whenever you are using. That one don't forget. Okay, girls. In the what is I'll open that this file I want to open, month and day file I want. I want to protect this file actually. See, if anybody opens this file, anyone can open this. So double click if I do, see, immediately it will open and then it will display the data, whatever it is there in the Excel sheet. I don't want to do like this. What should I want to do? I should protect the file. How to protect the file? Go to file, info, so protect workbook, read the option, first option, what is there? Always open read only. So actually, why should I want to apply this protection means to prevent the accidental changes for the file. So why should I want to do this? Why should I want to apply? To prevent what? Accidental changes to the Excel file. Just apply this, just click on here. While closing, you have, sorry, after applying that, you should close the file. Close the file once. It is asking, do you want to save or don't want to save? What should I want to do? Click on save button. Okay, so just open this file, open the month and day file. See, something is it showing, it is not opening directly, it is protected one. Okay, I'll take the option yes. If I take the option yes, then what will happen? See, Excel, okay, yes option I taken here. Girls, I want to delete this data actually, delete the data. See, again, I'm deleting this data. See, the data has been deleted. Only 2 columns are there. In the 2 columns, I have the data. See, only 2 columns data, remaining data deleted. I want to save this file. Just while closing, try to save this file.
How to
Save it.
delete the how to delete the data?
Select and delete. From the mouse, you select it and delete.
Okay.
Like this, you select from the mouse or from this, select it and delete. Delete key is there, no? From that, you delete it. Okay, I did some changes now. So delete the data and then closing. While closing, click on save button. Where you want to save this file? Same location, desktop, and then for the same file. For the which file I am saving this one? For the same file only, month and days, for that file only I should save this. Select that file and click on save button. Do you want to replace this contents? Of course, I want to replace this. Click on yes button. But what is the message? The thing it is showing finally can't save as that name. I can read. I have the permission for read, but I don't have the permission for deleting and saving the things. It is not giving the permission to make the changes. Only the permission is what? The permission you have only to read the data. Oh my God, I don't have any permission for saving this file, only for reading purpose. So there is nothing is there. Click on don't save. Again, open this file, same file. Select the option S. See, the data is there. So it is not giving the permission for deleting, making changes. It is just only to read the data. That's it. Okay. From which option? From the yes option. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I want to do the changes for this file. How to make the changes for this file? Just open this file. There is an option here, no. So yes option is there, no, that will not give you the permission anything. But no option is there, no, that will give you the permission. Just click on no option. No option is there. That one I have taken. I want to delete the data now. See what I'm doing. I'm deleting that. I'm deleting this also. Select and delete. Only the data it is in 2 columns. So what should I want to do? While closing, I should save now. It is taken, girls. So the file is saved now. Open the file now. Again, click on no option. I told you the difference of yes and no. Yes option will not give you the permission. The no option will gives you the permission. Go to the option no. So now the data is there, this side and that side. No, it is deleted and then saved. So now you tell me what is the difference of yes option and no option. The difference of yes and no option.
Yes, we'll keep it to only read, and no will make it to making changes.
Good. So understood now? So I want to disable that. I want to unprotect that file. Again, I should go for file tab, info. So protect workbook. So always open read only. It is highlighted actually. I should untick on this. Unselect you do it unselection. So untick on this. So nothing is selected now. You close the file. Okay, you close the file now. Close it. So if you, I should save the file. If I make any changes to the file without fail, I should save it. Open the file. So now is it showing yes, no option? No. Directly it is opened. Without asking yes and no option, directly the file is opened. So you take for 10 minutes break and then I'll start the remaining things. From here I'll start. 10 minutes break is there. You take the break and then I'll start. Take a 10 minutes break and then I'll start. Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Girls, voice is audible, no? You understood now the topic? How to protect the file from the option, go to the file tab, info, from the always open read only. I taught you know this one, how to use, how to apply for the file. Okay, come to the next one. I'm going for the next protection. Voice is audible, right, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Info means information. Just go for the protect workbook and then encrypt with password. Okay, so you need to click on encrypt with password. Click on this, and then you have to type the password. Okay, for example, here I am giving capital letter N, ICT or small or NICT. Okay, the password is NICT. The starting letter of N is capital letter. Remaining letters are small only. So actually there is a caution is there here, warning message is there. What is that? If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding documents, document name in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. So you should remember the password, you shouldn't forget this. And then passwords are case sensitive, whether you have given small or caps, you should remember everything else. So you have given small or caps, everything you should be remember. Okay, and then don't forget it. So what is advisable it is giving. So if you forget somewhere, you should keep it the password. Make it okay for the confirmation once. So you need to repeat the what is the password? NICT. The starting letter is caps. The remaining letters are small only. Just make it okay, girls. See, your file is protected. You should close the file. While closing, the software will ask you save or don't want to save. You have to save actually. Okay. So if you make any small changes also, so you have to save this. Click on save button. So open this file. Month and day file is open this file. Is its file is opening? No, directly we can't open. So if you know the password, then only we can open it. Okay, actually the password is what? NICT. Just enter. Oh, something it is shown. I gave correct password only, but why the thing it is not opening? Because all NICT letters given in the small only. Okay, the passwords you supplied is not correct. What the password I supplied, that is wrong one. So what should I want to do? Just okay, you do. Close the file, open. The starting letter I should give capital letter. Okay. NICT. Only the starting letter N. Okay. The remaining was small. See, now file is open. If I give correct password, then only the file will open. Otherwise, it will not open. So now I should change the password. How to change the password? Again, same procedure you have to follow. File tab, info, protect workbook, encrypt with password. Remove that password now, select and delete. Yeah. Give the new password. Repeat the password again, but don't forget it. Passwords are case sensitive. Just something I gave here. Close it. While closing this file, what should I want to do? You should close. While closing, it will ask you to save. Just save the file. So open this file now. See, the new password, or I should, sorry, the new password I should give now, or the existing one I should give? The current one or existing password I should supply now? Tell me, what should I want to do?
New password.
New password, good. Give password one, actually one, number one, you should give. Click on. See, the file is open. I want to remove the password for this file. Okay, how to disable the password? Again, you should follow the same procedure. Protect workbook, just click on encrypt with password. So you should select and delete. Don't give anything, leave it as blank. Click on OK. So while closing, you have to save the file. Open this file now. See, without asking the password, the file it is open directly. Okay. See, nothing it is asked. Directly it is open. So it is in unprotection mode. Anybody can open this file. So now going to the next concept. So how many sheets are there in my file? How many sheets are there? 3 sheets are there. Okay. We are in which sheet? I am in sheet 1. Sheet 1. In the sheet 1, I am. Which sheet is the active sheet? Sheet 1 is the active sheet. Go to the file, info, protect workbook. So the third option, protect current workbook. Protect current sheet. Okay. Click on protect current sheet. So give the password. I'm giving 123. So don't want to make any changes, girls. Leave it. Don't select anything. Just okay though. But for this also caution message is there. Please don't forget it. If you forget the password, so it will be very difficult to recover again. Okay. So that's why it is telling don't forget the password, and then passwords are case sensitive. Again for
Ma'am,
the
this password is
confirmation.
for the single sheets. Like,
At a time I can apply only for the single sheets. Here three sheets are there. For all 3 sheets I can't give at a time. Okay, only for the first sheet I can protect. For the selected sheet I can protect. That's it. Only for the current sheet I can give. Click on OK. So now I'm going to type something. It is not allowing only. Something message is coming. See, it is not giving the permission to make any changes in the entire sheet. Entire sheet is protected. Just check it out for the sheet 2. Yeah, in the sheet 2 I can do whatever changes I want. See, I can do wherever I want. Try to do the changes in the sheet 3. Yes. Okay, even I can add sheets also. If you want new sheet, I can take. The new sheet is added. Go to the sheet 5. Girls, I can add the new sheet, but sheet 1 is there. No, for that sheet, I can't do any changes. If you want to make the changes for the sheet, you have to go for the file, info. Here on the options there, no? And protect. So what is the password I supplied? 123. Give the 123. See, now whatever you want, you can type. See, it is allowing to make the changes. Okay. The next one, the fourth one, protect workbook structure. Girls, before doing that, I'll close the file once. I'm not saving anything. I don't want to save anything. Just open the file. Yeah. Same thing. 3 sheets are there. I am in which sheet? Sheet. Okay. So come to the next option, info, protect workbook. The fourth option, protect workbook structure. Just click on here. So give the password 123, enter. Again repeat the password. Don't forget, and then passwords are case sensitive. Same message it is showing you. Enter. See, girls, I can select and then I can delete or whatever I want. I can do the changes now. Okay. In the sheet 2 also I can do the changes whatever I want. The sheet 3 also, wherever you want, you can type whatever you want, you can change. But what the things you can't do, you can't add the sheets. The new sheets cannot be added. What is the restriction of protecting the current workbook structure? What you can't do? In the existing sheets you can work, but you can't access the new sheet. You can't get new sheet, girls. That's the things. Okay. What is the difference of protect current sheet and then protect current workbook structure? Any one of you explain the difference for me? That I'm asking you the difference of protect current sheet and then protect protect workbook structure. The difference you tell?
ma'am, protect current sheet would only protect the active sheet that we are working on, and protect workbook would protect the entire workbook, which is there.
No. I didn't tell like that. The entire book is not protected, ma. The sheets cannot be added. I have only 3 sheets. In that sheet only I should work. I can't access the new sheet. I can't get, see, I am clicking on plus button. No, the new sheets can't be added here. Only in the existing sheet I can work. You can't access the new sheet from the which option? Protect workbook structure. What about this protect current sheet? For the which sheet you applied this, for that sheet it is completely protected. Even I can add the new sheet. I can access the new sheet, and then the rest of the sheets also I can do the changes whatever I want. Now you understood the difference of, now you tell me girls, the difference of this one and that one. Fast, don't waste the time. Any one of you tell me answer to
Under the
my
protect
question.
current sheet, we can add new sheets if we want. We'll protect the current one. In the protect workbook structure, it will protect the structure, and we cannot add more sheets if we want.
Is it possible to add the sheets in the current, protect workbook structure?
No.
In the current protect current sheet, in that you can add the sheets, new sheets you can access.
Yes.
Yeah. So for the which sheet the sheet will be protected from the protect current sheet?
The current one that we're working on.
The current one. For which sheet we applied for that one. Okay. What about this? The new sheet you can't access. For the existing sheet you can work. In the existing sheet you can work. In the existing sheet you can work, girls. Yes. In the existing sheet you can work, but you can't access the new sheet. Is there any doubts? I'm going for the next topic.
No, ma'am.
Restrict access, add a digital signature, that is not for protection. Okay. The last one is the no, that is for protection. Mark as final. Okay. So let readers know the document is final. Okay. Before going to the last option, I should unprotect it, that protect workbook structure you click. So I think 1, 2, 3 I gave. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So now if you want, you can add the new sheet also. So I am protected. The last option for protection, what is that? Mark as final. Just click on select.
What about the restrict access, ma'am?
That is not for protection now. That is not for protection.
Okay.
So what is grant people access while removing their ability to edit, copy or write? See, connect to the, so you have to take the, means you have to sign up for the MS Office account. You should create a
Are there
MS Office
server or
account.
something to browse, ma'am?
Yeah. So what you have to do means you have to create one login in the MS Office account for these things. To access these things, MS Office account should be must and should be for these things. Got it now? Without account, MS Office account, you can't do anything of restrict access and then digital signature. So you have created in the Facebook one account, in the Gmail you have an account, WhatsApp account, like that you have the accounts now. In the Flipkart, Amazon, you have the accounts, like similar thing. So if you have the MS Office account, then only we can access the things. The next one is mark as final. I'll show you. Actually, why we need to apply mark as final to the file means to prevent the accidental changes to the file. See, I'll show you. See, some message it is displaying on the screen. What is that? This workbook will be marked as final and then saved. Okay, make it okay, girls. Some other message is there. You make it. Don't show this message again. Again, don't want to show this message. Okay, just okay. See, the entire file is protected, girls. Only it is visible. It is only visible.
Ma'am. Ma'am, when we mark it as final and if we want to make any changes, what do we do now?
This one option is then edit anyway. Above there is one highlighted note. This one marked as final.
Okay, ma'am.
There you have to click for unprotection. You don't have the permission for adding the sheet. Whatever sheet is there, that sheet also you can't work. just only to read. Okay, only you can visible. It is visible. If you want to make any changes, then we have to click on edit anyway. Then only it will give the permission for making the changes. Got it now? Why should I want to apply the mark as final for the file? To prevent what? Why should I want to use the
Accidental
mark as
changes.
accidental changes? To prevent accidental changes. Good. Okay, if you save the files, then it will be in desktop or somewhere. Okay. So while doing, suddenly power gone. You have not saved the file. Okay, but I should recover that file. How to recover the unsaved file? From where I can do? File tab, info, manage workbook. From the manage workbook, there is one option, recover unsaved file. The saved file, it is easy to access, but unsaved file, while working, suddenly power gone, our system shut down. That time I can't take that file. Okay, so that files, unsaved files, I can recover it from this option. So don't forget this. Okay, just click on here. Is there any files? Yeah, one file is there, unsaved files. Someone has not saved this file. It isn't stored in here. So what is the purpose of using manage workbook? Answer, manage workbook. What you can recovery? Unsaved files you can recovery. Why the recycle bin is there in the system? You can recover the deleted files and folder. The same thing, why the thing it is there, manage workbook, for what purpose? To recover what? Unsaved files. Okay. Okay, girls, the next concept is what? Save and save as. Save already I told you. I'll explain now save as. Any idea on save as? Do you know what is the shortcut key for the save as? F12. Shortcut key for the save as F12. Girls, in the chat box, all of you type what is the shortcut key for the save as. Fast, girls. You should put it in the chat box. What is the shortcut key for the save as? All of you have to respond in the chat box. Good. Yeah, F12. Not shift F12, only F12. Someone has sent in the chat box shift F12. Only have to type F12. Okay, not control F12, Vinutta Shri. Vinutta, not control F12, no, only F12. Okay, good. So, okay, girls, I want to explain now save and save as. I'll take a new file, run command, type Excel. Here, I'll be going to type my name, Meenakshi. So 1 second. BR Meenakshi. Okay. Just you drag how much you want. Repeat it. Actually, the contents, it is in one column. Is the contents or it is in one column, girls? No. What should I want to do? So E column and F column, between there is one line, right? The contents are not adjusted to the column. That's why the things are showing outside. E and F column, between there is one line. You need to double click on this. Now the contents are in one column. We are Meenakshi. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to save this file in the name Meena. So how you going to save this file? Go to file, save, browse. So for example, desktop, the file name, actually the default file name is what? Book1. But I don't want the file name as book1. I want to save the name in my name, Meena. So just click on save button. Okay. Just close the file now. Where it is there, yeah? It is on desktop only. See, the Meena file, it is on desktop. Just open this file, girls. My name is saved now. Yeah. The same file, the Meena file, I want to save in the documents. How we are going to save in the documents? Just open this briefcase, go to the where I told documents. In the documents, I want to save this file. Okay, now Meena file. 1 second, girls. Here, there's a lot of files is there. I'll clear off. Yeah, how to open the documents, downloads, like that other location in the system. Here there is a briefcase. File Explorer is there. Open this File Explorer. So just open the documents here. Is there any files here? Is there any files in the documents? Meena file is there? No. The same file, it is on desktop, no? The Meena file. This file, I should be save it in the different location. How we are going to save this file in the different location with a different name? From the option save as. Okay, the Meena file, it is on desktop. The same file I should be stored it in the documents. So open this file, Meena file. It is on desktop. So you should maximize a file, save as. So where you are going to save the file? Save as, browse. So where should I want to save this file, Meena file, in the which location? So I'm going to choose the location documents. Okay. So here instead of Meena, I'm going to give the name Shiva. Okay. So just give the name Shiva and then save. Just close the file, girls. Close the file. See the Meena file, it is on desktop. Okay. Open the file explorer. Briefcase is the briefcase. Open the briefcase. And then documents is then open the Shiva file is there. If I open this Shiva file, the contents are same only. See, the contents are same. So what you understood from save and save as? Any one of you tell me? Save and save as. The save option which will help you only for save. But save as, what is the save as?
Ma'am, under the save as option, we can save that particular file in a different location in the computer.
Yeah, in the different location with a different name. The Meena file, it is on desktop. The Shiva file, it is in documents. Got it?
Ma'am, when we change this file's location, does that mean that in the previous location that file will not be available? Is it so?
Once you repeat, want to tell me?
Yeah.
Tell me once.
When we, ma'am, when we use the save as option, so we are relocating that file. Does that mean that in the previous location that it won't be available?
You can save wherever you want. You can save, no problem.
Okay, ma'am, but in the previous location before changing, like,
Before
will that
change,
be available there also?
means you are asking in the documents also.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
The document it is there, no Shiva file. The file name is different. The contents are same only. That file
Yes,
name is
ma'am, but
different. This file name.
before Shiva, it was your name, ma'am. But will that be available in that previous area which you saved?
Previous area means that desktop. No, here it is there. See, on the
Okay,
desktop it
ma'am.
is
This
there.
is what I wanted to ask. I thought it would just completely relocate to a different
There
place.
also it is there. Yeah, two copies you have. One copy,
Okay, this
original
is what
copy, it is in desktop. The another copy, it is in
okay, ma'am.
documents. See now what I'm doing now. In the Meena file, I am going to make the changes. Is it the contents, the things will reflect in that Shiva file? In the Meena file, I'll be going to make some changes. That the update things will be going to will show you in the Shiva file also. This is what my question. Answer. Just give the work for your brain. Start thinking
Oh, ma'am.
because these two files
I
are
guess so,
different.
ma'am.
Meena file is different, Shiva file is different. Both the files are in different location. Okay. See, I'm going to open Meena file. See, for this one, I'm applying the color, font color, red color. Okay. And then I'll insert one logo. Insert picture, this device. Example, that MTR logo. I'll take, yeah. See, the logo means the picture is there and then my name is there. It is highlighted in the red color text. Okay. So while closing, I'll be going to use the option save only. I'm not using save as. Okay. I'm using save only. The save is like selfish for you. The save option which will helps you to save this file only, not the other file. This, you understood what I'm telling? The save option is there, no? That option which will helps you to save this file, not for Shiva file. This is selfish. Okay, save option is selfish. It will not save to other file. It will save only for this file. Click on save button. You go and check for the Shiva file. Open the briefcase. File Explorer is there. Open documents. You go. Open Shiva file. In the Shiva file, my name is highlighted and then picture is there, logo is there. Check it out, girls. See, the file is opening. The changed things is there. It is reflected here. The MTR logo picture and then text red color is there, girls. Nothing is there here. It is not updated. Yes or no? Save is selfish or not? Save option will save for both the files, Meena and Shiva file also. No.
Oh, ma'am.
So now, but save as will do it. Whatever the changes I made in Meena, that changes will reflect in Shiva also. See, I'll show you how to update the things. Open the Meena file. The Meena file is there. Open this. Go to File, Save As. F12 shortcut key. Go to the Save As. Browse. That Shiva file, where it is there, yeah? Where I kept that Shiva file? Where it is? Documents. Shiva. Select the Shiva file. Click on Save button. Do you want to replace? It is asking to replace. Of course, I want to replace the content. Yes. Just close the Meena file. Close the Meena file. Open this File Explorer. Briefcase is then open this File Explorer. Documents. See which file I am opening? Shiva. Open Shiva file. Yeah. See, updated. Logo also is there. My name it is highlighted in red color. Meenakshi. So how we are going to update the file contents from one file to another file? From the save or save as option. From the which option you are going to update the things from one file to another file? Girls, don't waste the time. Respond me fast. How we are going to update the things from one file to another file? From save or save as? Answer is
Save as.
save as. So what all the benefits from the save as means? The save as option is there, no? That will help you to keep the file in a different location with a different name. And the next one is which will helps you to update the contents from one file to another file. So this is what the thing. Okay. I hope you understood the difference of save and save as.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't want this file, you can delete the file permanently. How we are going to delete this file permanently? Shift delete. If I press only delete mark, see if I take this delete option, see delete option, if I go, so it will goes to the recycle bin. Again, I can restore that. See, it is in recycle bin. Open the recycle bin. See, Shiva is there. See, again, I can restore it. If I open the briefcase now, means go to the documents. See, Shiva is there. Just if you delete, where it will go to the recycle bin. Instead of sending to the recycle bin, I want to delete this file as permanently. How you are going to delete this file permanently? Shift delete. Read the message and make it yes or no. Read the message, what it is showing there. Are you sure want to delete this permanently? Yes. Shiva file deleted permanently. Just go to the recycle bin, girls. Show me where it is there. Shiva file? No. In the recycle bin, it is not available. What is a permanent to delete permanent files and folders? If you want to delete that permanently, what is a shortcut key? Put it in the chat box fast.
Delete.
The shortcut key to delete the files and folder. What is the shortcut key? Type. Put it in the chat box fast, girls. All of you. Good. Shift delete. Yes. Yeah. Okay, enough. Okay, girls. Good. Okay. Come for the next. The print option. Come to the print. Shortcut key for the print, Control P. Okay. If you want to print this file, means the sheet one. If you want to print the sheet, you have to use Control P. Control P is the shortcut key for print. Okay. So before going for the print, girls, so for the to check, to analyze which paper size, to make any corrections, before going for the print, you should check all the things whether it is in proper or not. What like that. Print preview. Control F2. What is the shortcut key for print preview? Control F2. Don't go for the print directly. If you go for print directly, paper will be waste. If any mistakes is there, the paper will be waste. Okay, so that's why what I'm telling. So don't give directly Control P. That will goes to direct print. That's why before going for the print, press Control F2. Control F and F2 you press. Control F2. See. F1, F2, F3. While working, please remember F and you press. See, print preview it is showing. Oh, the page manner like this, everything it is there. If it is okay, this paper is okay for you, then go for print. The paper will not waste for you. Okay. First, always print preview, then later print. What is the shortcut key for print preview? Control F2. For the print, Control V. A minimum copies I can take only one. A maximum copy in the Excel, how much I can give? See the message it is showing. The entry must be less than or equal to 32,767. Minimum copies in Excel 1, maximum copies at a time I can take 32,767. 32,767 copies, maximum copies. So 40,000, 50,000 you can't take that much of copies. Okay. Minimum, maximum copies, you understood? The remaining part I'll be going to continue on Monday class, girls. Remaining things. So is there any doubts? Is there any doubts? No doubts in that
No,
case.
ma'am.
You understood these things: home, new, open info, save as, minimum copy 1, maximum copy 32,767, and before going for the print preview is the first and control P is later. Okay. So I hope girls you understood the today topics. So don't leave the class, ma. I want to take the attendance. Don't leave the class. Just 5 minutes you give me, take the attendance. Tomorrow you don't have classes. Saturday there will be no classes for you. The next class will be on Monday. So thank you all girls. I hope you understood the today's class. Just give me 5 minutes time. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. The assignments will be going to start in the next week. You have to do that also. Yes, girls, I took the attendance, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank
Good
you,
night,
ma'am.
girls. Take care, girls. Bye.